Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the position of the hard disk drive brackets on the hard disk drive for later replacement. Disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from the hard disk drive. Remove the hard disk drive brackets from the hard disk drive. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag and position the hard disk drive so that the side with the label is face up. Place the hard disk drive brackets onto the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable into the hard disk drive.